In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Derayah in Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to place trades directly through your Derayah brokerage account from inside the Tradingview platform, using the same charts and tools you already know. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. Make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account, because you'll need an active account to link any broker. If you don't see your profile icon or username in the top corner, take a moment to sign in first, then come back to the main homepage. Once you're on Tradingview and logged in, look for the option called Supercharts, sometimes just labeled as Chart, depending on your layout. This is the full-featured charting area where all the trading tools live. Click on Supercharts and Tradingview will load a chart workspace with price data, indicators, and timeframes. After the chart page loads, we're going to open the Trading Connection area. Near the bottom of the screen, or sometimes at the lower panel, you'll see a tab or button labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. This opens a section that shows different brokers and trading services you can connect to your Tradingview account. At first, you may only see a few brokers listed. To reveal the full list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This expands the panel and displays every supported broker that can be linked with Tradingview, including Derayah. Now that you can see the entire list, we'll search for Derayah specifically. In the trading panel, look for a search box or a filter field. Click inside that field and type Derayah. As you type, the list will narrow down and Derayah should appear as one of the available connections. If it doesn't show up right away, double check your spelling and make sure your Tradingview region and account type support Derayah. Once you see Derayah listed, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a small window or prompt asking you to connect your brokerage account. Follow the on-screen instructions from Derayah to authorize access. This usually involves signing in on a secure page and confirming that you want Tradingview to connect. After you complete that authorization, your Derayah account should now be linked. You'll be able to place orders, view positions, and manage trades directly from Tradingview's chart interface using your Derayah brokerage, all in one seamless workspace.